Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make kung pao chicken. This recipe serves 5 people. For this recipe you would need 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast diced into half-inch pieces, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon crushed red chili pepper, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 large egg, 1/4 cups cornstarch, 2.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 1.5 cups of Tricollered bell peppers cut into cubes, half an onion cut into cubes, 1 large zucchini cut into cubes, 2 ounces dried roasted peanuts, green onions to garnish, some water, and some oil. In a bowl, combine chicken, half a teaspoon of salt, egg, one-fourth cup of cornstarch, two tablespoons of oil, mix well, then cover and refrigerate for 1 hour. Heat wok skillet on high heat for 10 seconds. You want the pan to be nice and hot. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Remove chicken from marinade and add to wok, cooking on high heat for 2 minutes. You can also do them in batches. When the chicken is complete, in the same wok, add oil, then add the onion, cook for a few minutes. Next, add the bell peppers and zucchini. Cook on high heat for about 3 minutes until caramelized and slightly cooked. Now that the vegetables are done, remove the vegetables and set aside. In the same wok, add a little bit of oil, add crushed chili pepper flakes, ginger and garlic paste, stir until they darken a bit, then add the green onions, peanuts, soy sauce, and a little bit of water. Then add the cornstarch and stir constantly until it thickens. Add the chicken and vegetables back in. Stir to combine. You can serve this dish with vegetable rice or plain rice. I will link the recipe to vegetable rice down below, and I will also have it in the icon above. Garnish with green onions. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.